bee swarm simulator on to make honey. Wow, this game's fun. Look, collecting the honey. Yay. What do I do now? Need to get more honey. I'm okay. How much for... I can't afford anything. I'm useless. I should just die. I'll speak to the bear. This one. Is this the sunflower? What a... Wow! I'm getting so many things. Oh wow! That was a lot of things that I just got for free. Come talk to me again. I'm fine. Let's use it right there. Yeah. I'll use my royal jelly on both of them. A shocked bee. Oh, I'm gonna use it again. Wow, a cool bee. If you look at the shirt I'm wearing right now, it's my Roblox group called Swag Games Inc. That's for the people that want to join the group if you want to join. It wants me to collect more honey. Wow. Collect 500 pollen. I guess I can. To collect my honey now. I'm going to make honey.
Just, enjoying himself, man. Because me, I'm just having fun, technically, Now remember, this is only for educational purposes. Otherwise, you could be using those techniques on other people. So, you don't have to start with anger or with threats. That's too obvious. You want to start small. Say casually.